Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve this is your DNS server might be unavailable in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem. Go to search menu and type cmd command prompt. Click run as administrator and click yes. Now in here you need to type ipconfig ipconfig space slash flus guys DNS ipconfig space slash flash DNS press enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now close out of here. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problem guys, but if you still having an issue, let's reset the network adapter guys. That hopefully resolve your problem. Go to search menu and type network reset. Open it. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, such as VPN client softwares or virtual switches. Click restart now and click yes guys. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Close out of here guys. Now you go ahead and manually restart it. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.